Experience the ultimate indoor s'mores with the Nostalgia Tabletop Electric S'mores Maker. This kit includes everything you need for a fun night in: roasting sticks, for trays for graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, and an electric heater for that perfect toast. Whether it's for a movie night or just a cozy treat, this s'mores maker brings the campfire experience right to your table. Perfect for family gatherings or a sweet indulgence anytime. Transform your space with the Northern Galaxy Light Aurora projector. With 33 stunning light effects, this LED star projector creates a mesmerizing nebula display perfect for bedrooms, parties, or relaxing nights. It comes with a remote control, white noise options, and a built-in Bluetooth speaker to set the perfect mood. Whether you're unwinding or hosting a party, this projector turns any room into a galaxy of its own. Discover the fascinating world of microscopy with the Carson MicroBright Plus 60x 120x LED lighted pocket microscope. This compact and portable handheld microscope is an incredible tool for students, educators, and anyone with a passion for science. Whether you're in a classroom, on an outdoor adventure, or simply exploring your surroundings, this mini microscope opens up a whole new dimension of discovery. The MicroBright Plus features a powerful magnification range of 60x to 120x, allowing you specimen, and you're ready to explore. It's a fantastic educational tool for students, helping them to engage with science in a hands-on and interactive way. Teachers and parents will appreciate how this microscope encourages curiosity and critical thinking, making learning about the natural world both fun and informative. In summary, the Carson MicroBright Plus 60x 120x LED lighted pocket microscope is an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore the wonders of the microscopic world. With its powerful magnification, bright LED light, and portable design, it's perfect for students, educators, and curious minds. Take your entertaining to the next level with the electric fondue pot set, a must-have for any chocolate lover or party host. This fondue kit is designed for both convenience and fun, featuring easy-to-use temperature control so you can keep your chocolate or cheese perfectly melted and ready for dipping. The detachable serving trays make it simple to serve up a variety of dippables, from fresh fruits and marshmallows to bread and veggies, catering to both sweet and savory tastes. In addition to its versatility for various events, this fondue set is easy to clean and store. The detachable parts make cleanup a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying the moment and less time worrying about the mess. Compact and efficient, it won't take up much space in your kitchen, but it will make a big impact at your gatherings. In summary, the electric fondue pot set is the perfect blend of fun, functionality, and style. Whether you're serving chocolate, cheese, or other delectable dips, this set ensures that every dip is a delight. Ideal for movie nights, game nights, date nights, or as a thoughtful gift, it's a versatile addition to any home that will bring people together over delicious fondue. ComCom Roller Pet Hair Remover and Reusable Lint Roller. ComCom Cat and Dog Hair Remover for furniture, couch, carpet, clothing, and bedding. Portable, multi-surface for removal tool.